Hey guys, it's Vito Blocks here. I'm opening the super mega squishy dumpling. And 1, 2, 3. Wait, this is kind of hard.
It has tape.
Oh. It has tape. I don't have a knife.
Open it from that side. I opened it already. Just.
Yellow!
Oh my god.
Where's his face? Yellow.
Yeah.